to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. And they have everything for your man to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Oh, YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Yeah, man, how you listen to me? I say, yeah, man. What did you want to be? I say, yeah, man. You can make your dreams, but you got to know this one thing. No man does it not by himself. I say, yeah, man. Put your pride on the shelf and just go there to the YMCA. I'm sure